Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the essential types of wood joints every civil engineer should know. Understanding these fundamental joints, how they work, their strengths, their weaknesses. It's like having an extra tool in your engineering toolbox, so let's grab our safety glasses and get started. We're kicking things off with the most straightforward joint in the woodworking universe, the butt joint. Imagine taking two pieces of wood and joining them end to end, just like that. It's not the strongest joint out there, but it has its place. You'll often find butt joints used in framing, where they're reinforced with nails or screws. A sloppy, uneven cut will give you a weak and wobbly joint, so measure twice and cut once. Next up, we have the miter joint, known for its angled cuts that create a seamless corner. To make one, you cut each piece of wood at a 45-degree angle. So when you join them, they form a perfect 90-degree corner. The beauty of the miter joint lies in its clean, elegant look. But those angled cuts need to be precise. So grab your trusty miter saw and get those angles dialed in. Let's talk about the Dado joint, a workhorse in the world of shelving and cabinetry. You cut a groove, we call it a dado, into one piece of wood, and then slide another piece of wood into that groove. This joint is all about creating strong, stable shelves that can handle a load. Dados come in different shapes and sizes depending on the project, but the basic principle remains the same: a snug fit between the groove and the inserted piece of wood. Time to step things up with the rabbet joint, literally. Imagine cutting a step-shaped recess along the edge of one piece of wood. Fit another piece of wood with a corresponding edge into that recess, and you've got yourself a rabbet joint. This joint is perfect for cabinet backs, drawers, and even picture frames. Rabbets provide a lot of gluing surface area, which means a stronger bond. They help with alignment, keeping your project square and true. Get ready for the lap joint, a joint that's all about strength through overlapping. You take two pieces of wood and overlap them, then secure them together with glue, screws, or even dowels. Lap joints are used in everything from furniture making to heavy-duty construction. The beauty of the lap joint lies in its simplicity and versatility. Now we're stepping into the realm of traditional woodworking with the mortise and tenon joint. This joint has been used for centuries, and for a good reason. It's incredibly strong and durable. You cut a rectangular hole, that's the mortise, into one piece of wood, then shape a corresponding projection. The tenon, on the end of another piece of wood. Fit the tenon into the mortise, and you've got yourself a mortise and tenon joint. Prepare to be amazed by the dovetail joint, a hallmark of fine woodworking. This joint is known for its distinctive interlocking dovetail shape, which provides both strength and visual appeal. You cut a series of trapezoidal pins on one piece of wood and corresponding tails on the other piece. When assembled, they interlock tightly, creating a joint that's practically impossible to pull apart. Mastering the dovetail joint takes time and practice, but the results are truly rewarding. Let's talk about the finger joint, a woodworking technique that's all about extending the length of wood pieces. You cut a series of interlocking fingers on the ends of two pieces of wood. When glued together, these fingers create a strong bond that effectively lengthens the wood. Finger joints are commonly used in door construction, tabletop panels, and even moldings. Get ready for the box joint, a favorite among woodworkers for its strength and versatility. This joint is created by cutting a series of interlocking square or rectangular fingers on two pieces of wood. When assembled, these fingers interlock tightly, forming a box-like structure that's incredibly strong. Box joints are commonly used in box construction, cabinetry, and even furniture making. Last but not least, we have the biscuit joint, a modern woodworking technique that's gaining popularity for its speed and simplicity. You use a special tool called a biscuit joiner to cut slots into two pieces of wood. Then, you insert small, oval-shaped biscuits, made of compressed wood, into the slots and glue the pieces together. Biscuit joints offer a fast and efficient way to join wood while providing decent strength. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more informative content. Remember, Understanding these fundamental joints can make you a better engineer, even if you're not building furniture every day. See you next time.